Okay, so just going to try two questions today. They're on page 294 if you have your book. It's question 11 and we're going to do question 13. Okay, so this is question 11. It says, is L, and has two lines. Okay, this means parallel. So is L parallel, so the two lines we did the last time, is L parallel to line M? So you're given two questions, A and B. Now they look parallel, but you have to actually prove using maths, are they parallel? So part A, okay, you're given L and M here. You're not told they're parallel. We know the last day, we know they're parallel. If they're given these arrows, that means they're parallel. But this time you're not given the arrows, okay? And it's the same for part B. So you have to see if they're parallel or not, okay? So I want you to do now is pause the video, draw these out, part A and part B, and give them a go. Okay, so pause the video now and give them a go. I'll go through it now. Okay, so how you figure this out is look at each of the angles you have, okay? And we know that if this is 100 degrees, okay, we can figure out all of the angles here because it's an X. This is our vertically opposite. So directly opposite, we know this is 100 degrees. Okay, have a look at your notes. Okay? Another way we can figure out this angle, okay, we see this is a straight line like that. In a straight line there's 180 degrees. So this is 100 degrees, this one must be 80 degrees. Okay, and again with vertically opposite angles we can see that 80 degrees right opposite because we have the X. This is also 80 degrees. If you add them all up, 80 plus 100 plus 80 plus 100 should equal to 360 degrees. Okay, now we do the exact same up here using vertically opposite angles directly across from it because it has the X. This is 70 degrees. We can do the exact same thing with our hand for a straight line. That is 70 degrees, straight line is 180 degrees. That means this must be 110 degrees. And again, using vertically opposite angles, we can see this is 110 degrees. So, question is L parallel to M? If they're parallel, that means all of these angles should be the exact same as all of these angles. And are they the same? Okay, so you can see clearly that they're not. Okay, so we just look at one section. So let's just look at this section here. Okay, back. So I'm just going to look at the top right angle of each of them. So top right, top and right, 80 degrees is that same as the top right in this group of angles. So top right, 70. It's not. So I can say 70 degrees is not so equal, and the line through it is not equal to 80 degrees. So L is not parallel. So I can do my parallel lines and then a line through it, not parallel to M. Okay, so if you didn't get that, okay, again, I'll pause the video and now using the exact same methods, give part B a go. Okay, so hopefully using it's the exact same question, just different numbers. Okay, so pause it and give it another go. Okay, so I'm going to go through it, so hopefully now you got it using the same methods as part A. So 65 degrees is opposite, vertically opposite this angle. That makes this 65 degrees. Okay, again using your straight line, which is 180. If this is 65 degrees, the straight line is 180. 65 degrees minus 180, that will give you 115 degrees. Okay, we know that from our rules. And now vertically opposite angles, we could say this is 115 degrees. Now the exact same on this side, without even going on any further, okay, without figuring all out and wasting some time. If you look at the group of angles here, let's look at the bottom left angle. That's this one here. Is that the angle the exact same as this one? It is, so we know already they're parallel. So this means that L and M are parallel for this question, but we'll just figure it out and then just do it. So, if you're using vertically opposite angles, 115 degrees is opposite this angle, so it's 115 degrees. Now using your straight line rule, where your straight line is 180 degrees, 180 minus 115 degrees is 65 degrees, and your virtually opposite angle is opposite these ones, so that's 65 degrees as well. So now we can see much more clearly that all of these group of angles is the same as all of these group of angles, so we can say L is parallel to A. Okay, hopefully you got that. If you didn't, pause the video, take it down. I'm going to do question 13 in the next video.